What is home restoration and how does it work?
Yeah, Katie. So, home restoration is the process of getting a property back to a safe, clean, livable condition after damage from something like water, fire, mold, storm damage, or any other kind of unexpected event to your property. The first goal is to stabilize the property and manage the damage from spreading. From there, we'll document all of the damage, remove any affected materials that need to be removed, dry or clean the structure, and then move into the repair and reconstruction phase to get it back to pre-loss condition. There's a lot of back and forth there with insurance carriers, but we know the process, the drill, and we're there every step of the way.
What are the most common types of home restoration services?
Yeah, the most common ones that we see in the field are water damage, fire and smoke cleanup, mold remediation, and then the reconstruction process that happens afterwards. In addition, depending on where you live, this can be more or less common, but there's things like storm damage cleanup. We'll do contents cleaning, which is your personal items in the home that get damaged, and odor removal. Water damage is typically one of the more frequent calls that we get because of things like pipe breaks, appliance leaks, roof leaks, and drain backups that can happen suddenly.
What is the difference between restoration and remodeling?
Great question, because these get confused often. Restoration is usually damage driven, so something happened, and the goal of restoration is to return the home to its previous condition. Remodeling is a choice, right? You're changing or upgrading the home because you want a new layout, finish, or design. Restoration often involves insurance, mitigation, safety concerns, and a lot of documentation. The thing to understand is there is an opportunity to remodel during a restoration project. If you have damage to your kitchen and you're already thinking about upgrading your kitchen, you can kind of take what's a terrible situation, but make it a unique situation where you can kind of do that remodel at the same time that you're doing that restoration.
Do you at Paul Davis provide both services?
We do. If you want to do upgrades to flooring, cabinetry, things like that, we can walk you through that process and handle that for you.